Right guys, welcome back to another video. This is something different today. So we have got a bit of mechanic in. We just sat on the Ranger because it's awful outside. So yeah, we're swapping tyres today from potato tyres, thin narrow tyres to fat tyres, and to put it back to a normal. So yeah, stay tuned. We've already done one. So yeah, so we didn't want to film the first one because we didn't know what we're doing and if it would fit or not. So we fitted the first one. And then we're filming the second one because we know what we're doing, so let's get into it.
That was a bit enthusiastic.
Just go with me in a bit, like. You just strap load. So basically we're using a jack with a strap around it. So we're using a jack with a strap around it through the rim, and then we just push it straight on where the bolt holes and screw it up.
Come down, Alex.
Just a little bit.
Too much. Back up.
Right, does that mean
It's a bit all or nothing. Right, push you in. Just drop her a touch. Just lift it, yeah?
There we go. Perfect. Right, so we are on. So we use this little crane, and then that extends on there. It goes like that under there, which is pretty cool. And through the hole. So it looks a little bit different now. So yeah, we won't put all the nuts on until the wheel's on. So we put the wheel on when the rim's like that. We just stick the wheel on now, and then I'll show you a highly recommended thing to do if you've got a jack.
When it goes here, it does swing it.
See what I mean? You have to turn me on.
I'm glad they're not tubes. Because know me, I'll pinch the tube and...
There aren't many of them tubes though. They have to flex too much.
Alright, so you just bring her in a bit, because we're going to be catching the wheel arch in a minute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Drop it down a bit.
Yeah, drop it down.
Sure, Ed, done, Joe.
Yeah. Over that side of it.
Not too bad, is it? So don't drop it.
Right.
Alright, so we push the back on, and then we just got a bar all the front on. What are they called? Tyre levers?
Yeah.
Tyre levers. So we've got a tyre lever on them, the front.
So you need to get a bar in here, so you click it over or it dropping.
So,
You start from the top, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Always start from the top then.
Lower down and take the pressure.
Lower and down, yeah?
we're going to look.
So George is just putting a little bit of tyre soap on now, just to, does it help it slip on a better?
Yeah, helps it slip on easier.
Yeah, it seals, it stops the air from that. So yeah, but see this other side, this is the one all done. Comes back to the room. Same this side. Well, the combine video.
What's that?
The combine video.
No, don't film the other side, it took us all.
Oh yeah. So we just got the one compressor, the littler one, on the air, so that will just be constantly pumping. So when it blows it will blow back onto the rim and then it will start putting air into the tyre, if that's right. Yeah, we're doing this as a learning curve. We do lorry tyres by ourselves, so that's pretty easy compared to the tractors. But they said that the big tyres are easier to fit than the lorry tyres, like the small wheel ones. So yeah, it's done by 4 idiots really, if you think about it. So we've, don't know what you call it. What do you call it, Dad? When it's over the rim now, isn't it?
Well, hopefully.
Hopefully, and then hopefully we cheater it, and then it. What does it do? Blow it back.
Yeah, the air in the cheater will blow
So the air in the cheater will blow it,
the seat.
and it will blow it back to the rim. There. And then obviously we'll have a constant air supply. So where you put the air in usually on your tyres, there'll be one compressor going on that, and then the other compressor on the cheater. And obviously the cheater holds air, so just blow it up on the cheater and then go straight into it. So you should see that in a minute. Right guys, thanks for watching the video. Videos every Sunday. It looks a lot better now with the big wheels and that. I have got some cleaning products that will take like the arable dust or whatever you call it off. So it'll hopefully match the back because they're really white compared to them. So yeah, thanks for watching. Videos every Sunday, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now. And if you're still here, I hope everyone had a good Christmas and a happy New Year to you guys. So yeah.